Hey poultry farmer, today we want to look at the benefits of feeding guava leaves to your chickens. So what you have to understand about guava leaf is that it is a natural antibiotic and antibacterial. So these guava leaves that you are seeing right here, we are going to give it to our chickens. And the reason is that this guava leaf has got some compounds that will fight off bacteria, and it will also fight off infections like coccidiosis and E. coli. So these are some of the benefits that you need to understand about guava leaf. So guava leaf is good for our chickens because it is an antibiotic. The other thing that you have to understand is that these same guava leaves that you are seeing here, these are very important to you. In case your chickens are having a flu or maybe they are coughing, you can use these. You can just pound them, then give it to your chickens. So these also help because of the properties that they have. They have quercetins, they have also flavonoids, and they have tannins. These help in fighting off diseases like cough, flu, or maybe your chickens are having mucus coming out into their nose. You can use guava leaf and then they will be able to recover from the disease they are having. The other thing that you need to understand is that guava leaf might be the magical tree that you need in your poultry farming business because this also boosts up the immune system of our chickens. So guava leaves are very important because they boost up the immune system of our chickens, which makes our chickens more resistable to diseases. The other thing that you have to understand is that these same guava leaves, they've got some proteins, they've got vitamins, which will help our chickens to grow big. So the other thing that you have to understand is that these same guava leaves, because they help our chickens to have a healthy gut and they help also in digestion. So our chickens will have an improved digestion. That simply means that our chickens are going to consume nutrients that they need in their body and it will be balanced because of these properties that they have. Then our chickens will not be having diarrhea. This also treats diarrhea. You have to understand that. And for those who are keeping broilers, because your chickens, if you feed them guava leaves, they will have a healthy gut and then they'll have an improved digestion. That simply means that your chickens, as the moment you are giving them feed, the feed efficiency will increase and your chickens will gain weight very fast. So guava leaves are very vital to poultry farming. Some of us, we used to use them when we have flu, when you have a cough, you just boil them, then you drink. So it's the same with the chickens. You can boil or you can just pound them. The best thing that will do is, as in for us, we are going to pound this and then give it for our chickens to drink so that they can get all the nutrients they need from this. They can get their immune system strengthened. They can also have uh, the infections like E. coli and coccidiosis get protected from it. So guys, let's prepare this and give it to our chickens so that they can be protected. So I'll advise poultry farmers to continue using this because it will help in poultry farming. Because if you're using natural leaves like this, these are free. You can just plant this tree, then you start using it, enjoy your poultry farming business. Or you can ask it from your neighbors. They'll be able to give it to you. Just imagine you getting this free antibiotic without paying anything. Imagine how your profit will cross over. Your profit margin will go high and then you'll be able to benefit because these are just free. Watch my other video about banana leaves, then you'll be able to understand that there are free stuffs that we need to use in poultry farming for us to maximize in profit. So guys, let's prepare this. Let's go and wash it because I just cracked it. Then I wanted to give it to a fellow poultry farmer the benefits of giving guava leaves to chickens. So let's prepare it. We're going to wash it, then we pound it, then give it to our chickens. So continue watching. You see how we prepare it and give it to our chickens. So as usual, we have to clean these leaves so that we prepare them now. We pound them and give them to our chickens. So let's clean them. They have to be cleaned. Have to make sure we clean them. So that's it. We prepare them very well. Clean them. That we pound them. Then we give them to the chickens. Usually we've already talked about how good these are. Talked about the properties. So you just have to go straight to prepare it so that we give them our chicken. It's easy to have them ready when they are fresh. You pick the ones which are fresh so that it's easy for you to prepare. So for this, I'm just going to remove some of these parts so that I leave the other parts. So let's prepare. You see the chickens are out there. I need to get all the benefits because this is antibiotic, and as you know, these chickens, they are always scratching. So as they scratch uh, because we are on deep litter. So when they are scratching, it's very easy and possible for them to get coccidiosis. But with us supplementing them with these uh, guava leaves, we are protecting our chickens against bacteria and infections like I've mentioned, E. coli and coccidiosis. So let's prepare for the chickens so that they'll be able to eat a full diet. I love preparing almost every week, and I'm happy to say that I've never experienced any problems with my chickens ever since I started practicing organic. Because something that uh, you can trust, and it's something that is not costing you money, especially if you have all these plants and trees, because they are free for you, which means you are having, just imagine, instead of buying dewormers and antibiotics for my chickens to perform well, I just use these for them to perform well. So this is good. So let's pound this. So we pound this, then we mix it in water for our chickens. So this will be ready soon, just a short period of time. I'm sure you've seen me preparing a lot of these antibiotics for my chickens because I use antibiotics a lot. So let's prepare this. Make sure it's ready in time. Prepare this. If you have a blender, it's very easy for you. But for us, we are using this manual to pound and make them in a powdered form. And then for those who don't have anything like this that I'm using, you can just boil them, then get the water, cool it down, then give it to your chickens. Putting some water so that there's that softness, so that this doesn't easily jump out of this. Mm, mm, we prepare to give chickens all the requirements, vitamins, proteins, all that is in this. think this is lady. Let me just show you close how lady is. Be able to, oh no, be able to see that it's lady. It's very much lady. I'll show you. So this is how it is. See, it's very much lady. We can mix it in water now. This is lady now. So let's mix it in water. See, this lady. You can just mix in water now. I'll just show you a little bit closer. See, this is how it is. So this is ready. Let's get the water. We'll mix it in water. Then we'll also sieve it. So now we'll put in water. Need to mix up with water now. Let's mix in water. Then I also sieve. As usual, we'll need to sieve. So we'll mix in water. The water right here. Then put this in water. So make sure it's thoroughly mixed. Mix that way. Mix. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed. You mix thoroughly. See how good it looks. So let me pour some more water in so that we have a good amount of ingredient. So receive. So let me just come a little bit closer, show you how this is. Okay, let's now sieve. So as you know, I use a sack to sieve because this sack, it's easy for me to sieve using this sack without me having any particles going in. The last time I was using a sieve and I had a challenge. The challenge with it wasn't easy, so I chose to use a sack because it has got no holes, only water can pass in all the ingredients that we need. So we sieve before we give it to the birds. But if we've got a siever which is good, you can use it. I'm sure you've seen my other videos how I sieve the medication that I give to my birds. This is the same way we use it. So this is how you prepare. Or next time when we'll be preparing, we'll prepare the one that we boil. We boil it maybe 30 minutes, then we get the liquid, then we serve it to the chickens. So that's it. The process is different, but the benefits are the same. So we sieve, make sure we sieve everything, make sure that our chickens will be able to drink without the big particles. So we sieve, then give it to our birds. This also can be used to humans. If you're having a flu, you can use this. If you're having diarrhea, you can drink this and you're going to be cured. So just imagine how good it works with humans. Now we're going to use it to our chickens. So we are almost done, then we're going to serve it to our chickens as usual. So if you've seen my other videos, I usually do this most of the time. I'll take out this, put it aside, so that I don't have challenges. saving. So this is the last part of our saving. Just finish up and we say look at the chicken. Seems like they're a little bit tasty, but they had this water inside there. So but anyway, we'll give them. This is an antibiotic. There, imagine how much we are saving on money on spending on antibiotics. It might be a small amount when you are buying, but in a long run, it's a huge amount you are paying out there. So it's better you use things which are free and effective. Because these antibiotics, some of them, they just make the immune system of our chickens weak, so that we keep on going and buying more of these. Sometimes I feel like these people are tricking us. But anyway, some it works, but we love things. As a business person, you have to make sure you minimize expenses in order to have a maximum profit. So we've prepared this and we're going to give it to our chickens. So we are done. Let me just bring the camera closer. You see how it looks, how beautiful and how nice it looks. Let's put this aside since it's no longer needed. Clean this. So let me come closer. You see, so this is our ingredient. This is what we've prepared. See how good it looks. So we give this to our chickens. Since it's ready, we serve it to the chickens. So we now give it to our chickens. We allow our chickens now to drink and get the benefits of feeding, giving this to our chickens. So we allow the chickens to come and just sip on this, drink, and able to enjoy and get the benefits that are required for them. So we allow the chickens to come in, drink. I'm sure this will last for 2 to 3 days as usual. You have to give them 2 to 3 days for them to drink, and this I'm sure it will last 2, if possible 3 days, which is exactly what we need. So you see, this chicken is getting the benefits that it requires. The other chickens will also come and drink. So those chickens are eating. So let's take a little bit closer. So see, I love this. When I give medication to chickens, it's important that they drink right over there. So see, these chickens have drunk, and within 3 days they'll drink and it'll be okay. So you see, mounting is happening over there. So now drink. We always need this. Chickens need to drink so that what we've prepared is ready. So guys, we've prepared, and that's it for today. This is the antibiotic. Make sure you give it to your chickens, and see you on the next video. And if you're new, consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber, give me thumbs up. Give me your reviews on how it has worked for you. And for those who needs to share it with other poultry farmers so that at least their friend can also have a maximum profit in poultry farming. So we've given this to our chickens. This can be given also to broilers so that the broilers will have a healthy gut and improved digestion so that it's easy for them to grow fast. So see you on the next video, guys. See you on the next video, poultry farmer. Bye bye.